ZVRA stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. I am the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, and I've documented it all. How Zevra Therapeutics was looking like was very nice, and honestly for me it still looks the same. It's very nice looking. In other words, I'm looking to buy more, right? But randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. I'm waiting for a little correction to kind of happen a little bit lower. Now here's the thing. What happens if I don't see a correction and my rules are not met? Well, surprise, surprise, I'm not going to trade it, right? There's an abundance of opportunity in the market. There's really just no need to try and force stuff just because you feel like you're right. So I'll keep you updated. Like, I'm also following out of these other tickers. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights plus stock picks, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.